Hospital, who have not only put up a very brave battle with the disease called cancer, but have also successfully defeated it. So a very, very warm welcome to all of you. This entire event is for all of you, to celebrate you all who have put up this great fight, and to also through you encourage people to said, you have to come, you have to come. And she said, okay, okay, I'm coming. But we don't realize that, it really takes people like her and many more here 2 hours to just travel from where they stay and come to us. So really thankful and grateful to each one of you who has come all the way to celebrate with us the victory of our winners, and to also spread the message that let's do an early detection and move towards eradication of disease, not only a cure, not only a treatment. Thank you so much.
This gives me this gives me Good evening, everybody. Jaslok Hospital has given me a call that you have to come and grace the occasion as a chief guest for the victory of the woman power. I will say this is a victory of woman power because they have conquered the disease. They have conquered the pain. They have conquered the agony of the disease. And they are laughing and taking it as a fight. So congratulations to everybody who has conquered the disease called a breast cancer. Dr. Tarang, you have given a very good name, Pink Note. Pink color is a sign of, everybody likes a pink color. And they have brought the pink color once again in their life. All the women have brought those who have conquered the breast cancer. Breast cancer is a disease. It is to some extent, if it is early diagnosed, talk to them and see their performance. Thank you.
Was here, please. Please come, ma'am. She is Miss Neelam Kumar, twice survivor of breast cancer. Can we please clap louder for them? Thank you. Can we have more survivors, please? Please come out. would now like to introduce another chief guest as well, Miss Farah Khan. She's an Indian director, a film producer, actress, and a choreographer. She is best known for her choreographed work in numerous Bollywood films. She has also choreographed dance routines for more than 100 songs over Hindi films. Ma'am, can I have a few words from your end as well?
थैंक यू सो मच दीपक जी ने मुझे थोड़ा जल्दी बुला दिया. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी हियर क्योंकि एक तो जसलोक आई थिंक हैज़ बीन माई होम फॉर मैनी मंथ्स. मेरे बच्चे यहीं पैदा हुए थे एंड एवरीबडी फ्रॉम द लिफ्टमैन टू द स्टाफ, एवरीबडी इज फैमिली टू मी ओवर हियर. डॉक्टर्स तो है ही, बट फ्रॉम द नर्सेज टू वार्ड बॉयज़ टू एवरीबडी, उन्होंने इतना अच्छा हमारा ख्याल रखा था. एंड सो दिस place has special meaning for me. And of course तरंग ने कहा मुझे यहाँ आने, she said आप आके इन लेडीज़ को मोटिवेट कीजिए, लेकिन मैं कहना चाहती हूँ कि मैं यहाँ मोटिवेट होने आई हूँ. मैं आप लोगों को क्या मोटिवेट करूँगी. y'all are too good and so brave and so courageous. और हम हमेशा कहते हैं कि कैंसर सर्वाइवर हैं आप. आई थिंक ये सर्वाइवर टर्म अब निकाल देना चाहिए. y'all are cancer conquerors. So definitely I don't think we should ever call them survivors. They have conquered it and I want to meet all of y'all. I've come specially to just meet y'all, get motivated and go back home feeling that I do nothing, you know, really, because such stories of strength and y'all are all so beautiful looking, all of them. I mean, Tarang, really, I think your hospital has done a wonderful job because I haven't seen such beautiful looking women, not even in Bollywood, let me tell you. I mean, really, Katrina and Deepika can take a lesson from them. So I want to actually just call all of y'all up over here, and if y'all would honor me by just giving me a hug, I'll be very happy. हाँ जी, अगली मूवी क्यों, अभी डांस करते हैं हम लोग सब इधर आके. You are so lovely looking. Kevin, I think we should all do one dance over here, Tarang, because I have never seen such beautiful women ever, all together. How are you? Thank you. I didn't get a chance to meet you. कैसे है? Please come, shall we? I've got my book for you. I will take it. I will take it. I will take it. Hello, how are you? Walaikum salam, please. Walaikum salam.
I'm from Sri Lanka.
Oh. Thank you.
I'm from Sri Lanka.
Okay. One someone, आपका scarf हम admire कर रहे हैं. ये देखो आपने. I want to thank all these ladies for coming up over here.
I would now like to request Sarang ma'am to hand over a token of appreciation. As many of our friends are overwhelmed, just bear with us for the next 5 minutes because people are crowded here for taking photographs.
साइड से मत ले हमेशा साइड
Many of our patients have called up and personally thanked that we would definitely attend. So thank you for this we have done for the patients. And I would first like to I agree with Farah. I do not like the word survivor. You do not survive diabetes, you do not survive hypertension, and I feel infection and cancer, these are the only diseases in the history of medicine which are curable. Rest, blood pressure, diabetes, you are on medicines lifelong. Heart disease you can't cure. But cancer, in the early stage if you detect, so you cure. It's a bold statement, but I firmly believe in this, that cancer and infections, these are the only curable diseases in the mankind. So with this note, and I do not like the word survivor. So please, all of you are winners, and please do not use the word survivors. So with that note, I will start my panel discussion, and we have like a very eminent, a diversified panel, and we'll start with Dr. Advani, who's the director, our teacher, and the father of oncology. Actually, he's the one who introduced medical oncology in India. Otherwise, we didn't have this. So good evening, sir. And sir, my question to you would be, what do you think are the reasons for the increased incidence of cancer, and especially breast cancer? And what do you think we can take measures, precautionary measures to for early detection and cure?
Yeah, well, I would like to mention over here that the main reason for the increasing the numbers of breast cancer, which you see day in and out in all the major cities. Remember the word major cities. And that's a lifestyle which you live in the major cities. And that's what is responsible for the breast cancer. And you look at the